Thank you for the 2 months, by the way, and enjoy your very fancy lasers. That sounds like something a Pornhub ad would try and tell me. Are there ads on Pornhub? Are there ads anywhere on the internet? This is all news to me. Imagine I work in like advertising. Half of the porn vid itself is ads? How does that work? There's no shark in the bathtub? What? I'm very confused. Oh, and my frames are dropping. Let's see why. It is due to network. Yep, here we go. Just drop all the frames. Yep, keep dropping the frames. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. Good job, Twitch / international ISP routing. New iPhone launched today. Any plan of getting one? Nope. I dumped the iPhone after they removed some functionality that I used every day. These 3 simple bends and stretches grow up to 6 inches in 1 week for the small price of $2.99. We will teach you how to increase your size. Yes. What function? Non-numerical caller ID blocking, which is very important living in this country because the amount of SMS spam is unreal. So they stopped you from being able to block like non-numerical sender IDs. So if like somebody sends you an SMS and it's from like a marketing whatever, and it says like, you know, ABC7 instead of an actual number, you can't block it ever. That used to be blockable, and then they removed it from their OS. Additionally, they removed the headphone port, which I used every day. And then also they started harassing me about turning on a whole bunch of Apple-specific features like Apple Pay and Cloud and all that shit, and there was no way to dismiss the notification. So it just stays lit up red forever if you decide to not set it up. It was a lot of like really, really small things to just... I was just like, okay, at this point, there's no reason to stay with Apple. Like I had a killer Mac back in the day when you could like put PCI cards and hard drives and shit in it, and then they upgraded to the Mac in the shape of the garbage can, and that's when I dumped Mac for PC for PC. Like I buy what I actually need. What phone am I using currently? I am using a Chinese phone made for the Indian market. It was super cheap. It's a Realme. It has all the things I need. It has a high refresh rate display, it has an in-screen fingerprint sensor, it is a semi-decent camera, it is a headphone jack, it takes dual SIM, and it comes with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal space. And did I mention it was cheap as balls? New Mac Pro is actually great. I mean, arguable. Okay, bro, just stay down. I mean, if you have no choice and you're locked to like, you know, Apple apps, then it makes sense. Nice job, phone. Yes. Simon, did you shower before the stream? I washed my face and head before the stream. Didn't have enough time for a full shower. Okay. Can I pull this out? No, I can't. I'm very concerned about this because this thing was working and now it's not. Hey, thank you, Milk. For the 5 months, holy shit. For the 5 months of tier 3. He's insane. We locked to Mac. Yeah, if you're locked to Mac, then yeah, obviously the new Mac Pros are gonna be great. Bro, just hold your spot. Yeah, bro, I don't know what's going on with the internet today, but like I'm dropping on average 1.4% of all frames due to network, quote unquote. Whatever that means. It basically means fuck you. We're dropping your frames. Deal with it. Get a new pump, I would, but there's only one that is locally available in this country. And it's this one, and it's the biggest piece of shit. Bro, I can't believe this pump failed. Like, the moment I said something nice about it, it just died. It was totally fine this entire time, but now that I say something nice about it, it's just like, nope, I'm not gonna work anymore. Fuck this guy. That's fine, we'll make do. We can finish the desolder with it. Yes, I am desoldering the Gateron clears. Indeed. Can I rotate this? Maybe you need to clean the inside? I can't open it. Get one on noon. I'm pretty sure all they have is the shitty blue one. Yell at keyboard is turned off for the day, Jay. Bro, why? Why are you a cuck? Just like stay. It doesn't stay. I press it, it doesn't stay. Stay. Good dog. Like, I have to put so much force into it for it to stay. He's getting good one soon, don't fret. What? Am I? Wait, am I? Yes! Okay, nice. I managed to, like, throw the tip off. Accidentally. Nice. I have just officially accidentally it. So now we're gonna clean it. Wow, that is not great. I need a brushy washy. Where's my brushy washy? Here is my brushy washy. There we go. Nice. Okay, we did it. We did it, boys. We did it. Am I choking on my tea again? Hey, it actually works now. It did need to be cleaned. Oh, and apparently the tip of this doesn't screw off, it just pulls off, which is why, like, I was sitting there trying to screw it like an idiot. But apparently all I have to do is pull. Alright. Next up, we start here, and we go down. A little bit of zoom action. Oh. It feels a lot better too. Like it's sucking a lot better. Oh. Why is it every time I say